This didn't happen too long ago, and we're still cleaning up from it, but it's pretty mild for us. It's not too bad.
Exactly. For everyone, still, there's boots on the ground right now. For everyone dealing with that recovery process, the weather's been mostly cooperating with us. It has been gusty, and we are going to dive into that in a second. But let's talk about current conditions. 30s and 40s throughout the Bay Area. I love talking about Santa Rosa. For everyone who lives up there, it's so fun talking about your weather. You're dealing with close to freezing temperatures now, yet you're going to be one of the warmest places this afternoon. Once that sun rises around 7:20, we're going to start warming up all throughout the Bay Area. We're hitting the 70s today in Santa Rosa, mid to low 60s pretty much everywhere else in the Bay, minus the North Bay. They're going to be a little bit warmer this afternoon thanks to high pressure just offshore, just a little bit more north than us, so it kind of tilts in their direction. But right around the corner, we have a big change on the way. Low pressure is going to start dipping its way in a negative direction close to our coastline. What does that do for us? Well, of course, it cools us off, but also it gives us a slight chance of shower increase as we extend into our long range models happening on Sunday. And it's going to be a light trace, if anything, right now. Taking a look at certain models, I mean, I've been kind of comparing and contrasting all morning long, but for the most part, less than 1/10 of an inch as we extend into our Sunday forecast for now. And that's still a little bit of a ways out, so those numbers can definitely change. But we're going to keep that rain cloud just on our forecast for some of us in our microclimates heading all the way into Sunday. For example, San Jose. But let's go straight back into the forecast too, because low pressure brings in cooler air from the north. And we're going to notice that too. I mean, we're sitting in the upper 60s, lower 70s today. Right around the corner, we're already talking about upper 40s, lower 50s as we kick off next week. So big changes on the way for us, at least when it comes to the temperatures. It's still a breezy morning for us today. We can see wind gusts anywhere up to 40 miles per hour at times. We'll talk more about that